Hello heroes, this is How to GoPro channel. I showed you how to choose a microSD card for Hero 7 in my previous video. Now it's time to see the difference between cameras of new Hero 7 line. If you hesitate about buying new Hero 7 and don't know what's better for you, just watch this video. I hope it will help you to make the right decision. GoPro introduced Hero 7 Black, Hero 7 Silver and Hero 7 White in September. At first, their price is different. Black costs almost 400, silver almost 300 and white almost 200, so Hero 7 Black is twice expensive than Hero 7 White. Obviously, you wonder what's better to buy, especially if you lack of money. Let's count common and different features. They will clear the best choice for you and your friends. So, several features are common for all three cameras, like for example, photo timer, touch zoom, short clips, waterproof, voice control, shoot vertically, auto transfer to phone, QuickStories. The most interesting part is different features. Let's discuss it. I itemized them into 5 categories: features, video, photo, mods and design. Features. Hypersmooth is the next level of electronic image stabilization, introduced in Hero 7 Black. With improvements on the GP1 chip, the camera delivers gimbal-like stabilization for creating even more smooth video captures. With GoPro Advanced Scene Analysis and Roller Shutter Correction algorithm, Hero 7 Black is able to proactively look at how motion is happening frame to frame and adjust correction to make the video super smooth. Automatic sharing as you leave it while saving your streamed videos to your SD card in high definition. You can leave streaming to Facebook, YouTube or using an RMTP URL. Time warp is hyper smooth applied to time-lapse video. It allows you to capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move about a scene. Increase the speed up to 30x to turn longer activities into shareable moments. Super Photo gives you the best photos automatically. Depending on the lighting, movement in your shot, and other conditions, Super Photo will choose one of 4 options: high dynamic range, local tone mapping, multi-frame noise reduction, and no processing. The GP1 chip has been crafted from the ground up for the unique needs of GoPro cameras. GP1 gives the ability to have the power of 4K 60, improved video stabilization, and best image yet. Hero 7 Black recognizes faces, expressions, and scene types to enhance automatic QuickStory edits on the GoPro app. ProTune unlocks your camera's full creative potential by giving you manual control of color, white balance, shutter speed, and more. It's compatible with professional color correction tools, the Quick Desktop app, and other additional software. Video. As you can see, Hero 7 Black has different range of possible resolution, but Hero 7 Silver and White are limited. Hero 7 Silver and Hero 7 White captures Full HD 1440p video with wide field of view. This is great for action shots and sharing to social media. Hero 7 Silver captures 4K 30 as well as Hero 7 Black. Please share in comments your favorite resolution. You can set the file format for your videos. Choose HEV to reduce file size or H.264 plus HEV to maximize compatibility with older devices. Pay attention to your microSD card to be sure that it allows to capture 4K. Photo. All photos made by Hero 7 Black are captured at 12MP. Hero 7 Silver and White takes 10MP photos with a wide field of view. Besides Super Photo, Hero 7 Black allows to capture photos at blistering rates of up to 30 per second. Set time-lapse photo intervals and RAW format. When this setting is turned on, all photos are saved as a .jpg image and .gpr file. The .gpr file is based on the Adobe .dng format. These files can be used in Adobe Camera Raw for perfect editing. Mods. Photo, Burst and Photo Timer are common modes in all Hero 7 cameras. Besides them, Hero 7 Black allows to capture time-lapse photo, night-lapse photo and night photo. Video, time-lapse video and slow-mo are common modes in all Hero 7 cameras. Besides them, Hero 7 Black allows to capture time warp and looping. Please share in comments your favorite mode. Design. As you can see, there is a status screen in Hero 7 Black. Moreover, the depth of it is larger than in Hero 7 Silver or White. That means that Hero 7 Black is compatible with Karma Drone and Karma Green products, as well as compatible with Super Seat for extreme outdoor activities and deep water diving. The included waterproof backdoors provide protection to depths of 60 meters. You can easily remove and change a battery from Hero 7 Black, but the Hero 7 Silver and White has a built-in battery that can be removed. The built-in battery is non-serviceable. You can connect Hero 7 Black to an HD TV for viewing on a big screen. You can see your videos and photos on an HD TV or capture video and photos while connected to an HD TV. In conclusion, let's count benefits of all three cameras. So Hero 7 White is cheaper than other. You pay just $200. No need to choose resolution, no need to edit photo, waterproof, voice control, simple to upload to social media. Hero 7 Silver, you just pay $300. Capturing 4K 30, no need to edit photo, waterproof, voice control, capture the location, simple to upload to social media. So the real difference between Hero 7 Silver and White is 4K 30 capturing. I wonder, is it worth to pay additional $100 to get Hero 7 Silver and be able to capture 4K 30, or spend $200 and get Hero 7 White? In my opinion, I prefer choosing Hero 7 White to Hero 7 Silver. Hero 7 Black, you pay almost $400. Besides all previous mentioned, you will get 4K 60, hyper smooth, live streaming, super photo, raw photo, time warp video, Pro Tune, housing and Karma compatible, time-lapse and night photo, GP1 chip and removable battery. It's more than enough to make great shots and capture awesome moments. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is a premium model and it replaces the now discontinued Hero 6 Black. Hero 7 Black is claimed to be the best in camera video stabilization in any camera ever. You no need to keep handheld stabilizer now. Obviously, it's the best purchase. You decided what's better for you. I hope my video make your decision easier and wiser. Please leave a like and subscribe for more. See you soon!